Hello guys, welcome to WepTech Academy and to this amazing course. My name is Daniel Prince and I will be taking you through this Adobe XT where we'll be learning UI and UX design. Now right away I'm going to talk about the installation. So it is quite very easy to install. On this course, on this link below, you have been provided the Adobe XD file to use during your training session. So is once you download it and install, it's gonna automatically crack itself on downloading and installing it. So it's just for you to simply open the file, then you come to this autoplay. So I click on this autoplay is gonna automatically register crack itself. But now if you don't want to do that, if you still go to Adobe and you create an account there, then you download you create an account here on Adobe, then you download Adobe XD to install on your machine. It's gonna run perfectly. Okay, there's the starter package for it, even though it is quite limited, but the starter package for it is usable. I use the free version for Adobe, even though it's commented is limited, but it's good. When you have your money, you can upgrade. So there we go. So we are really gonna take the next few minutes to talk about the interface. Once it installed, your interface is supposed to be something like this. So you see the first thing that I have here is the Adobe XD logo. The second I have here is the icon cloud. Then I have the starter plan, and this starter plan provides me with 5 gig to use, and I've consumed just 3.5 MB. It's because I'm using the free version of Adobe XD. So, and I have the new file, and this new file, if I want to create any new file, all I have to do is to come there. I have the open. Most of the time in this open space is where the files is where the files that you had is being kept. The files that you have is being kept there. So that is where most of the previous files that you worked is being kept there. So most of the time, if they are not, some of them they are here, while the others are also in this space that you are seeing here. It is showing like this because it's a new machine, and I also just recently got things installed inside. So your files then shared with you is the same thing what people share with and manage links. So that share, you can either share it to other people or what you get to share it. But the only thing that you have to understand about the sharing part is you only get for the starter plan, you already get one share. You understand now? These people can share their documents to you, and all you have to do is to give your Gmail to them and they communicate it to you. Then the links, then the deleted files. Deleted files is where you get to see all the files that you have deleted. You clear it, then automatically it's being cleared from there after 30 days. So that's it. We now come here to start a new document. So if you want to start a new file, you can start a new document. The first important thing is phones. So when you come under here, you get all phones. Okay, all phones are here. All phones are here. This way, and anytime that a phone is being updated, a Google Pixel Pro, this is Google Pixel 7 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, the dimensions are there, and immediately you click on it, it's gonna automatically create. We also have the web browser sizes, 3 universal sizes where you can use. We have Instagram stories. You can design cover posts. So Adobe XD design is Adobe XD can also be used for flyer design, even though most of us will use it for designing web pages. So we also have the custom sizes. You can just write your size and you continue. So for this tutorial, I would like you to come here and maybe create use the second one, and there you go. So this is how it's gonna show up something like this. Then from there, next video we will continue. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe.